Good morning to all. Welcome to my class. Ramatenki Rajava, lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, GMR Polytechnic, Utnur. I am going to teach you electrical engineering and electronics devices for DEEE second semester students. Recap. In the previous class, we have discussed to the following. So first one is problems on simple magnetic circuits. Problems on simple magnetic circuits and objectives. On the completion of this period, the student will be able to know the following. First one is definitions of magnetic circuit. Second one is definitions of electric circuit. Third one is comparison between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Comparison between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Noun to unknown. First one, the terms related to electric circuits. The terms related to electric circuits. Second one is the terms related to magnetic circuits. The terms related to magnetic circuits. Third one is comparison between magnetic circuit with electric circuit. Comparison between magnetic circuit with electric circuit. Next topic is concept of magnetic circuit. Concept of magnetic circuit. So this is the magnetic flux pi. So this is the area, cross section of the area, cross sectional area, and mean length L, and flow of the current I. This is the number of turns N. So this is the flux pi. This is the magnetic circuit in the form of toroid. Magnetic circuit in the form of toroid. Concept of the magnetic circuit. The magnetic lines of force from closed loops. The magnetic lines of force from closed loops. The complete closed path followed by any line or group of lines of magnetic flux is known as magnetic circuit. So I will explain once again. The magnetic lines of force from closed loops. The complete closed path followed by any line or group of lines of magnetic flux is known as magnetic circuit. An electric circuit provides path for electric current, whereas magnetic circuit provides path for magnetic flux. The operation of electrical machine like transformers, generators, motors, etc. depends on largely on the magnetism produced by the magnetic circuits. Hence, their magnetic circuits must be properly designed to obtain the required magnetic conditions for efficient operation. The required magnetic conditions for efficient operation. A magnetic circuit consists of a high permeability magnetic material is called core. A magnetic circuit consists of high permeability magnetic material is called core. The high permeability material allows magnetic flux through it very freely. The high permeability material allows magnetic flux through it very freely. In general, the permeability of magnetic material is such greater than that of the surrounding air. The core is of uniform cross section A meter square with a main length L meter and is excited by a winding having n turns and carrying a current of I amperes. This current develops a magnetic flux pi which completes its path through the core. See the diagram 1. The amount of flux produced in the core depends upon current I and number of turns N. The product Ni is called magnetomotive force MMF and determines the amount of flux produced in the magnetic circuit. The opposition that the magnetic circuit offers to the flux is called reluctance. It depends upon the cross-sectional area of magnetic circuit, length of the magnetic circuit and nature of the material with which the magnetic circuit is made. Continuation of magnetic circuit. The magnetic flux or number of lines of force produced in any magnetic circuit depends upon magnetomotive force MMF in the circuit. Second one, reluctance of the circuit. Reluctance of the circuit. Let us consider a solenoid or toroidal ring of L is length of the iron path in meters, N is number of turns of coil, A is the cross section of the area in meter square, I is the current in carried by coil, mu are relative permeability of substance. So L is the length of the iron path. Next one, N number of turns of coil. Next one is A cross sectional area in meter square. Next one is I current carried by coil. And last one is mu are relative permeability of substance. So this is the magnetic circuit in toroid. So this is the radius, So number of turns and N ampere turns. Next one, the field strength inside the solenoid. So H is equal Ni by L. Ni by L. So the flux density B is equal nu naught nu r H. So the substitute the value H value here. So nu naught nu r. So H is equal Ni by L. The total flux created pi is equal B into A. B into A. So B is equal nu naught nu r Ni by L into A. Weber per meter square. So nu naught nu r Ni into A by L. Nu naught nu r Ni into A by L. Next, hence, in a magnetic circuit, flux pi is equal mmf by reluctance. mmf by reluctance, where mmf is equal magnetomotive force measured in ampere turns. So is equal Ni. And the reluctance S is equal L by nu naught nu r A ampere turns per Webers. The reluctance S is equal L by nu naught nu r A ampere turns per Webers. So next topic is definitions related to magnetic circuit. Definitions related to magnetic circuit. So MMF, magnetomotive force. It is the force which derives the flux through a magnetic circuit. MMF, magnetomotive force. It is the force which derives the flux through a magnetic circuit. And second one, it is corresponding to electromotive force EMF. So magnetomotive force is MMF, electromotive force EMF in an electric circuit. Next topic is MMF, magnetomotive force. It is equal to work done in joules in carrying a unit magnetic pole once through the entire magnetic circuit. It is equal to work done in joules in carrying a unit magnetic pole once through the entire magnetic circuit. It is measured in ampere turns. So MMF is measured in ampere turns. So see the figure. So concept of magnetic circuit continuation. So this is a circular toroid ring. So flow of the current I. This is the flux pi. So this is the Ni ampere terms. This is the N number of conductors. This is the A cross sectional of the area. A. So next one reluctance. So next topic is reluctance. It is the property of material which opposes the creation of magnetic flux in it. It is the property of a material which opposes the creation of magnetic flux in it. Next one, it measures the opposition offered to the passage of magnetic flux. It measures the opposition offered to the passage of magnetic flux. Next one, it is analogous to the resistance in an electric circuit. In an electric circuit. Next one, it is the number of ampere turns, so AT, required for Weber of magnetic flux. It is the number of ampere turns AT required for Weber of magnetic flux. Next one, there is no wastage of energy in magnetic circuit due to reluctance. There is no wastage of energy in magnetic circuit due to reluctance. Next one, its unit is ampere turns for Webers. Its unit is ampere turns for Webers. Next one is permiscence. It is a reciprocal of reluctance. It is a reciprocal of reluctance. Next one, it is the readiness with which the magnetic flux is developed. It is analogous to conductance in an electric circuit. Next one, it is measured in Weber for ampere turns or Henry. Ampere turns or Henry. Next topic is ampere turns. It is the unit of magnetomotive force. Ampere turns. It is the unit of magnetomotive force. MMF. Next point. It is the product of number of turns N of a magnetic circuit and the current I in amperes. It is the product of number of turns N of a magnetic circuit and the current I in amperes. So next one, reactivity. Next one is reactivity. First point, it is a specific reluctance. It is a specific reluctance. Second one, it is analogous to resistivity. It is analogous to resistivity. Next one, permeability. Next topic is permeability. The first point, the property of substance due to which it allows more magnetic lines of force through it. The property of substance due to which it allows more magnetic lines of force through it. The ratio of flux density to the magnetizing force is called permeability of a medium. The ratio of flux density to the magnetizing force is called permeability of a medium. Next point, it is corresponding to conductivity in electric circuit. It is corresponding to conductivity in electric circuit. Next topic is concept of electric circuit. Concept of electric circuit. Direction of electron motion. See the figure. So this is the positive, negative. This is the negative, positive. This is the positive, negative. So positive, negative. So the switch is open. Open. These are open and closed. Open and closed. The flow of the direction is here. The path of electric current is known as electric circuit. The path of electric current is known as electric circuit. So see the diagram. So direction of electron motion. So electrons ela move avutunnayi, we can see the figure. This is the flow of the direction, positive to negative. This is the IR. So V is equal IR. IR. Current and resistance. So definitions of electric circuit. So next one is electromotive force. First point, it is the force which tends to drive the current in the electric circuit. It is the force which tends to drive the current in the electric circuit. Next one, it is analogous to MMF in magnetic circuit. It is measured in volts. It is measured in volts. Next one, current. So I is equal, so dq by dt. So coulombs, q is the coulombs. So ampere is the unit of current. So ampere is the unit of current. So 1 ampere is equal 1 coulomb by 1 second. So q by t, I is equal q by t. So d by dq by dt. So next one, resistance. It is, write down definition. It is the property of the material due to which it opposes the flow of current through it. It is the property of the material due to which it opposes the flow of current through it. So the resistance is measured in ohms. The formula R is equal rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity, L is the length of the conductor, A is the cross section of the area, R is the resistance. Next point, the formula for calculating the resistance in electric circuit is R is equal rho L by A. Rho L by A. Where rho is the specific resistance or resistivity of material, where rho is specific resistance or resistivity of material. So next one, L is the length of the material. So A is the cross sectional area of the material. A is the cross sectional area of the material. Next point, there is wastage of power due to resistance in electric circuit. There is wastage of power due to resistance in electric circuit. So next topic is specific resistance or resistivity. It may be defined as resistance between any two opposite faces of a unit cube of that material. It may be defined as resistance between any two opposite faces of a unit cube of that material. So it is denoted by symbol rho, and it is measured in ohm meters. It is measured in ohm meters. Next one is conductance. Next one is conductance. First point, the reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. The reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. It is denoted by the letter G, capital G. The formula for calculating conductance is, so G is equal 1 by R. So 1 by R is equal rho L by A. So the conductance G is equal 1 by R. So 1 by R is equal rho L by A. So this is the equation. So A by rho L. A by rho L. So is equal 1 by rho into A by L. A by L. So is equal, so lambda L by A. Lambda L by A. Where lambda conductivity or specific conductance. Conductivity or specific conductance. So next one, conductivity. Next one, conductivity. It may be defined as the conductance between the opposite faces of a unit cube. Of a unit cube of that material. So once again repeat, conductivity. So write down definition. It may be defined as the conductance between the opposite faces of a unit cube of that material. That material. Next one, it is a reciprocal resistivity. It is a reciprocal of resistance. Next one, the unit of conductivity is Siemens or meter. Conductivity units of Siemens or meters. So next topic is comparison between magnetic circuit and electric circuit. Comparison between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. So this is the important topic. So this is the magnetic circuit. This is the closed path. This is the closed loop path. The green is the flow of the current direction path. This is the electric circuits. Electric current, flow of the electric current, this direction. This is the battery. This is the resistance. So first point, magnetic circuits. So similarities. The path of magnetic circuit, first point, the path of the magnetic flux is known as magnetic circuit. The path of the magnetic flux is known as magnetic circuit. So electric circuit, first point, the path of the electric current is known as electric circuit. Electric circuit. So second point, magnet circuit. MMF, magnetomotive force. So MMF is magnetomotive force. Electric circuit. EMF, electromotive force. EMF, electromotive force. And third point, magnetic circuit. So MMF is the force required to derive the magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit. MMF is the force required to derive the magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit. And electric circuit, third point, EMF is the force required to derive the electric current in the electric circuits. This is the MMF is magnetic circuit and magnetic flux. This is the EMF, electric current and electric circuits. And magnetic circuit and electric circuits. So fourth point, reactance S is equal L by nu naught nu R A. So electric circuit resistance R is equal rho L by A. Magnetic circuits, fifth point, flux pi is equal MMF by reactance. And electric circuit, fifth point, current I is equal EMF by resistance. And sixth one, permissions 1 by reactance. And electric circuit conductance 1 by resistance. 1 by resistance. So the reactance S is equal L by nu naught nu R A. So resistance R is equal rho L by A. So magnetic circuits, fifth point, flux pi is equal MMF by reactance. Electric circuit, fifth point, current I is equal MMF by resistance. And sixth point, magnetic circuits, permanence 1 by reluctance. So sixth point, conductance 1 by resistance. 1 by resistance. So next, magnetic circuit 7th point, reactivity. Reactivity. So electric circuit 7th point, resistivity. And magnetic circuit 8th point, permeability 1 by reactivity. And conductivity 1 by resistivity. And magnetic circuits 9th point, for series circuits S is equal S1 plus S2 plus S3. And electric circuits 9th point, for series circuits R is equal R1 plus R2 plus R3. And 10th point, for parallel circuits 1 by S is equal 1 by S1, 1 by S2 plus 1 by S3. This is the magnetic circuits. And electric circuits 10th point, for parallel circuits 1 by R is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And next point, current density. So J is equal I by current, I by A, area. So ampere per meter. This is the electric circuit. So J is equal I by A, ampere meter square. Electric circuits. Magnetic circuits, so flux density B is equal pi by A. So Weber per A, Weber per meter square. And magnetic circuits and electric circuits, dissimilarities. First point, flux does not actually flow in magnetic circuit. Magnetic circuit, flux does not actually flow in magnetic circuit. And electric circuit, current does flow in electric circuit. Current does flow in electric circuit. And magnetic circuit, second point, permeability does not largely vary from material to material. Electric circuit, second point, conductivity varies largely from material to material. And magnetic circuit, third point, for a particular temperature permeability depends upon the flux density. And electric circuit, for a particular temperature conductivity independent of current strength. For a particular temperature, conductivity independent of current strength. And magnetic circuit, fourth point, flux can pass through air. And electric circuit, current would not flow through air until arc is struck. Current would not flow through air until arc is struck. Magnetic circuit, fifth point, residual flux persists after removal of flux. And electric circuit, fifth point, the current is reduced to zero after removal of source of EMF. The current is reduced to zero after removal of source EMF. So summary, we have discussed the following topics: definitions of magnetic circuit and definitions of electric circuit. First one, definition of magnetic circuit, and second one is definitions of electric circuit, and third one is comparison between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Comparison between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. And here is small case. So permanence is the reciprocal of. The answer is first one, reluctance, A reluctance, B conductance, C resistivity, so D conductivity. The answer is reluctance. The answer is reluctance. And second one is conductivity is measured in. So A Siemens meter, ohm meter, ohm per meter, and ohm meter, third one. So D is none of this. So conductivity is measured in. So the answer is Siemens meter. A. And third one, the force required to derive the flux in the magnetic circuit is known as electric circuit, magnetic flux, electric circuit, none of this. The answer is electric circuit. Electric circuit. CIRCUIT, electric circuit. So write the assignment. What do you understand by magnetic circuit? First question. Write the assignment here. What do you understand by magnetic circuit? And second one is compare magnetic circuit with the electric circuit. Frequently asked questions. First question, what do you understand by magnetic circuit? What do you understand by magnetic circuit? Second question, define permanence. Second one is reactivity. Third one is conductance. And third question is compare electric circuit with magnetic circuit. Compare electric circuit with magnetic circuit. And in this class, so most important questions in, so compare electric circuit with magnetic circuit, difference between electric circuits and magnetic circuits. So electric circuits, the closed path for electric current is known as electric circuit. The closed path for electric current is known as electric circuit. The magnetic circuit, the closed path for magnetic flux is known as magnetic circuit. The closed path for magnetic flux is known as magnetic circuit. So the electric circuit EMF is deriving of force in the electric circuit. The magnetic circuit MMF is the deriving force in magnetic circuit. And electric circuit, there is a current I in the electric circuit. And magnetic circuit, the flux is pi in the magnetic circuit. Flux in the magnetic circuits. So this topic is most important. Okay, prepare the topic electric circuit and magnetic circuit difference. Okay, thank you one and all.